New accusations tonight that an Allegan County deputy was speeding to pick up pizza when he crashed into a car, killing a Fenville woman. A newly released Michigan State Police report concluded the June crash near Fenville would not have happened if former Deputy Thomas Goggins had been driving the speed limit instead of 90 miles an hour.
Goggins has said that he was trying to catch up with a speeder. But Target 8 investigator Susan Samples reports the attorney for the victim's family thinks the deputy had an entirely different motivation.
The June 12th accident happened here at M89 and 54th near Fenville. The Michigan State Police report, newly released, shows data from Jose Nunez's vehicle shows he had slowed to 4 miles an hour here at this stop sign before proceeding south across M89. The deputy was heading westbound on M89, and data from his cruiser allegedly shows he was doing anywhere from 87 to 95 miles an hour before he collided with the Nunez vehicle.
But that's not the report's only revelation. Michigan State Police asked Deputy Thomas Goggins, the driver, if he'd been racing not to catch up to a speeding minivan, as he'd claimed, but to pick up 2 pepperoni pizzas the training officer riding with him had ordered. According to MSP, the accident that killed 74-year-old Ophelia Nunez and injured her husband Jose was reported to dispatch at 7:18 p.m. State Police say a pizza shop a mile and a half west of the crash site had warned the deputies to be there by 7:30 to pick up their pizzas. Goggins, who denied he was speeding to pick up pizza, told MSP deputies planned to gather for dinner at a nearby fire department, but that the pizza wasn't supposed to be ready until 7:35.
Absolutely outrageous.
Attorney Robert Lancey, who says he's filing suit on behalf of the Nunez family, says none of the witnesses reported seeing the speeding minivan Deputy Goggins says he was trying to catch.
I don't believe that they were planning to pull over a speeding motorist, at or around 7:18, knowing that they wanted to be at their party by 7:30. That doesn't make sense.
When I tracked down the manager of the pizza shop, she told me she doesn't think the pizza pickup time had anything to do with the crash. She actually contradicted the Michigan State Police report, telling me she told the deputies they had until 8 p.m. to pick up the pizza, not 7:30, as MSP reported.
Thomas Goggins' attorney says the deputies were working traffic until it was time to pick up the pizza and meet for dinner between 7:30 and 8. He says Goggins was doing exactly as he was trained, speeding with no lights or siren to catch a traffic violator when the Nunez vehicle pulled out in front of Goggins. Goggins' attorney also said the, quote, wild goose chase about the pizza could have been avoided if Allegan County had dash or body cams.
The attorney for the victim's family says he's working on the lawsuit right now and intends to file it soon. As for the criminal case against Thomas Goggins, he's charged with moving violation causing death. That's a misdemeanor. He's expected back in court in mid-November. Near Fenville, Susan Samples, News 8.